Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an important thing about the Waze app and how to report a road closure in the Waze app in 2026. So imagine you're driving through the road and you notice that there's a road closure. So in order to help and notify other drivers or other Waze users, you can use this trick to notify them or to warn them about the road closure. Now, before we get into these instructions, first, the Waze app is available in the Play Store and also in the App Store. So if you want to download this from there, you can head there and download this for a safe download. Now let's go back to our topic. Now, if you encounter a closed road, don't use your phone while actively driving. Always you have to keep in mind that in order to use your phone, you have to be parked or another passenger should do this thing for you. So if you want to report the road closure, always park your car or ask passenger to open the report menu or wait until you're safely stopped. So you're gonna basically click on the triangle in the bottom right area. You're gonna click on it. And here you're gonna see an option here. You're gonna see an option to report. What do you see? You can report traffic, police, crash, hazard, closure, block lanes, etc. You're gonna choose closure from these options right here. Now you're gonna confirm the location and submit the reports. And also Waze can then use the information to help other drivers avoid the affected section. And if there are any detour signs, follow them rather than relying solely on the app. And keep in mind that road conditions can change, so reports may eventually be updated or removed. And if you're approaching a closure, slow down and follow the instructions provided by the road authorities. And that's it. That's how you report a road closure in the Waze app in 2026. And if you like this video or found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.